Hello, everyone. My name is Lorena Inclan. I'm an anchor and reporter at CBS 47 and Fox 30 Action News Jax in Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm so happy to be with you all today. Roboticist 2021. A roboticist is one who designs, builds, programs, and experiments with robots. Today is a very special day to showcase all the amazing skills of our very own roboticists right here at Shiva Robotics Academy. For 5 years, Shiva Robotics Academy has been engaging youth in STEM exploration. Shiva Robotics Academy introduces science, technology, engineering, and math to students from preschool to high school through fun, exciting, hands-on learning. Students gain real-world problem-solving experiences through a guided, global-first robotics program, helping them build a better future together. The 3 divisions of FIRST Robotics inspire youth to experiment and grow their critical thinking, coding, and design skills through hands-on STEM learning and robotics. Here is a video of the positive impact Shiva has created for the past 5 years at the Beach Blvd location in 30 public schools, daycares, youth organizations, after-school programs, summer camps, and in virtual classes halfway across the globe.
Hi, my name is Krisha, and I build robots at Shiva Robotics Academy. I started with the WeDo robots, and I've built 26 robots since it has been 5 months since I have started. I have learned to cooperate with my teammates. I learned to code the robots, and I also learned that you can build a really good robot if you all work together.
Hi, my name is Jada. I'm a staff here at Shiva Robotics. I've been working here for a couple of months. I work with the kids, teach them how to code the robots, I fix them up, and I'll have to say this is a great experience. Like, I've never experienced anything like this before, and I'm so glad I had the opportunity. Happy birthday, Shiva.
I love working with Legos with the kids, and I'm so motivated, and Coach K is such an inspiration to me. Congratulations on 5 years, Shiva Robotics. Let's keep going.
And it feels like everyone here that they're my family too. I want to thank them the projects I've made. And I'm so happy I have this right now. Through this crazy pandemic, I just want to thank them all for being there for me. Mwah! Bye! Hello, my name is Andre and I like Shiva Robotics. And this is my robot. Happy birthday, Shiva.
Shiva has been really good to me, and make sure that you get your kids to come here because Shiva's like a really good school and they teach you a lot of new things, coding, building. Yeah, Shiva, they will teach you so much and you will get so inspired by everyone, especially Coach K. She is the best robotics teacher ever. Happy 5 years, Shiva.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the programs for this season's Roboticist 2021. But this isn't a goodbye. We hope you can join us again next season for some more STEM fun. We can't wait to see your creations next year. Thank you so much for attending, and we look forward to seeing you all again next year. Have a fun and safe summer vacation.